Welcome to TSS Automotive, your go-to destination for the latest updates, detailed reviews, and expert insights on the automotive world. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of campervans, specifically, the upcoming 2026 campervan models. If you're someone who dreams of life on the road, the perfect balance of mobility and comfort, or you're just curious about where van life is headed, this video is packed with everything you need to know. The campervan scene has evolved dramatically over the past few years, and 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years yet. Manufacturers are focusing more than ever on smart technology, sustainable energy, compact luxury, and customization options to meet the growing demand from adventurers, digital nomads, and families alike. As the line between daily vehicle and mobile home continues to blur, the 2026 campervan models are aiming to offer the ultimate all-in-one solution. One of the most anticipated changes in the 2026 models is the shift toward fully electric and hybrid powertrains. With more efficient battery systems, fast charging capabilities, and extended ranges, electric campervans are no longer just a futuristic concept, they're a practical choice. Brands like Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and Volkswagen are leading the charge with next-gen versions of their popular vans, reimagined with eco-friendliness and off-grid capabilities in mind. Expect solar panel integration, regenerative braking systems, and smart energy management that maximizes every watt of power. Interior innovation is another area where 2026 campervans shine. Space-saving designs, foldable furnishings, and multifunctional areas make even the smallest vans feel surprisingly spacious. Many models now include slide-out sections to increase floor space when parked, modular seating that transforms into sleeping areas, and advanced insulation systems to maintain comfort in any weather. Add to that upgraded vac systems, touchscreen control hubs, and noise cancellation materials, and you're looking at a truly high-tech home on wheels. Technology integration goes beyond comfort in 2026. Most new campervans are expected to include full smart system compatibility. We're talking about voice-activated lighting, climate control, GPS navigation, and even smart locks, all controlled from your phone or a central onboard display. Some vans will also feature 360-degree camera systems for easier maneuvering, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and even semi-autonomous driving features to reduce fatigue during long road trips. Storage and utility have also been reimagined for 2026. Rooftop storage with electronic lift systems, underfloor compartments, and expandable exterior racks make it easier to bring along everything you need. Water and waste systems are being redesigned with sustainability in mind, using water purification technology, gray water recycling, and composting toilets that are cleaner and more efficient than ever before. Cooking setups are also getting an upgrade, with induction stoves, energy-efficient fridges, and slide-out kitchenettes that allow you to cook indoors or out. One of the most exciting trends for 2026 is the rise of customizable platforms. Manufacturers are now offering base models that customers can tailor to their specific needs. Whether you're a solo traveler looking for minimalism, a couple chasing scenic routes, or a family needing extra sleeping capacity, there's a layout and feature set for you. This level of personalization ensures that your campervan doesn't just take you places, it reflects your lifestyle. Connectivity is no longer optional, especially for those who work remotely. 2026 models are being designed with integrated Wi-Fi hotspots, satellite internet options, and powerful antenna systems that keep you connected even in remote areas. This, combined with solar and lithium-ion battery systems, makes it possible to live off the grid without sacrificing modern comforts or work productivity. For adventurers who love tackling tough terrains, expect to see more all-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options in 2026 campervans. Ground clearance improvements, reinforced suspension systems, and all-terrain tires are becoming more common, making these vans capable of taking on back roads, mountain passes, and desert trails without worry. Off-road lighting, winch mounts, and even drone launching pads are beginning to appear in concept builds and premium models. Pricing for 2026 camper vans will vary widely depending on brand, features, and level of customization. Entry-level models are expected to start around $70,000 to $80,000, with mid-range builds in the $100,000 range, and high-end luxury or expedition-style vans pushing $150,000 or more. While the cost might seem high, it's important to consider that these vehicles are designed to serve as both transportation and living space, with long-term savings possible by avoiding hotel stays and dining out. So, what does all of this mean for you? Whether you're planning weekend getaways or a full-time van life adventure, the 2026 camper van lineup is offering more options, more comfort, and more performance than ever before. It's an exciting time to be part of the van life movement, and with the advancements in electric mobility, smart technology, and customizable interiors, the freedom of the open road is more accessible and enjoyable than ever. Thanks for tuning into TSS Automotive. If you enjoyed this detailed look at 2026 camper vans, don't forget to hit that like button.